Hail! Merry Christmas, everybody. It's May 21st, so definitely not Christmas time. My poor trees. Looks like they have bent, but knock on wood, hopefully not broken. So it is May 21st. Oop, there's a broken branch right there. Not good. And yeah, so we had a little bit of a snowstorm last night. And it's currently snowing again right now. It's about 8 something in the morning. Broken branch down there, broken branch down here. And yeah, so 2 broken branches off this tree. Now this tree's got to go soon anyway, because it's in the way of, well, it's actually not in the way, it's just the roots are going into the pumpkin patch. So I'm coming out to check on the plants for the first time. Like I said, we got about, I don't know, 4 to 5 inches of snow last night. And yeah, so just checking on the plants. I'm gonna say that the one in here is probably good. The plants in here, all the snow's melting off of this one, so they look good in there. That's awesome news. I'm trying to stay on the walking boards even despite the snow being basically level with the walking boards. These ones are the less securely sealed per se, or perhaps, but I see condensation just like last night, so I think they're probably okay. So I'll give it the old finger test. Boop. So yeah, 4 to 5 inches worth of snow. Gotta open it up real quick, just a quick peek, and looks good. Oddly enough, or not oddly, but my backup plants that I should have brought in last night, they need water, but that ain't gonna happen. That ain't gonna happen today. Speaking of water, I don't think I shut off my hose. Dang it! Hopefully I don't have to fix a broken pipe now. But yeah, this is typical Colorado springtime. I'm not going to say it's common for us to get, or I'm not going to say it's uncommon for snow in May, but it's a little uncommon that we get this much this late. This is definitely the most snow, the latest that I've seen since I've been here in my almost 5 years here. That's interesting. Boop. So, yeah, the bees. Hopefully the bees are okay, all the hives. I was looking at them through the windows. Bees, once it's really cold like this, they like cluster up into a big clump. Oh no, the poor tulip. They clump up and they stay warm. But this is my biggest concern. The pumpkin plants look good, but it's the trees. Broken branch there. That one is real droopy looking. I'll go check on the ones in the front yard. This big guy over here, he looks pretty good. But yeah, so happy springtime from Colorado. This is somewhat normal, somewhat not. But it's cold. I'm going to go inside. I got to go to work. And I didn't wear the correct shoes, so I got snow up on all my socks. Love it. Have a good one, guys. Stay warm out there.